Woo! She on the ground and ready to go. Let's go for a drive. First drive with the new gearbox and a lightweight flywheel. Oh yeah, and clutch. Just been told not to ride it.
I think you're riding it.
How do you not? It's a lock diff. Okay, clutch is definitely something I'm going to have to get used to. Gearbox feels like a gearbox with a short shifter on it, so it's like creaking and groaning and noises of all kinds coming from everywhere. Maybe I just haven't driven this car in a while, maybe that's it.
What is that?
That is the exhaust scraping, I guess?
It wasn't that low before.
Nah, I don't remember it being that low before either.
Do you want to check it? Just in case.
Yeah,
It's all over in there.
wasn't that low before, that's for sure. So yeah, definitely shouldn't be that low. Bugger! Well, that might be the shortest test drive I've ever done. All right, well that's not ideal. That's tricky. Big sad. All right.
Take two?
Yeah, take two. We had to swap cars. Fucking 32. Let's go look at Daniel's new car. Oh yeah. Very good. You're getting more confident. Napaj.
Napaj.
Napaj. Are those blacked out or are they meant to be like that?
No, they're
It
meant to be like that.
Yeah, right.
It's shit.
Is it?
I'll give you the tour.
Oh, I can smell how much you've been cleaning it.
Well, it smelled like wet dog and sweat before. So, the cool thing about these dumb seats is, wait 1 second, I just remember how to do it. Gotta do that here.
Oh yeah, yeah. So far normal seat, great. Oh, you got that fake taxi mod. Oh, shots from this boot sitting here with that thing propped open or taken off are gonna be fucking sick. So there's a few things here and there that show its age, I guess. But what year would this be?
99.
1999.
1999.
And the dash is, I mean,
just beside that
little bubble there, but
everything else is fine.
that looks like it was made to be super futuristic, this whole section there. And this is diesel, isn't it?
Yep.
So
Turbo diesel.
you drove how many hours to get this car?
Many.
How many? You flew to where?
We left my house at 9:40 yesterday.
Yeah.
Got to the airport, landed in Queensland at 1. Took a while
To get to his
picked up
house?
because Twan was running late, so we left the airport at like 3:30.
Ugh.
Got to his house, looked at 2 vans. One was fucked.
And you went up there for 2. You were meant to come back in 2.
I was keen on 2 because the other one had curtains that were electric, so you press a button and they
Wait, is this the all-wheel drive one or the?
No, this is the rear-wheel drive.
Okay, so but that's good enough to tow, basically.
Yeah.
Because that's the point of this car. This is a tow car.
Yeah, I hope so. It's going to replace that D-Max.
It's going to replace that D-Max that we never used for towing.
I used it once.
Did you?
Yeah, I towed
Oh, yeah, the
Civic.
Uh,
Alex's EG.
I didn't even know you towed that with it.
Yeah.
There you go.
But then, yeah, drove back in this all in one go. Made good time because this car just loves to cruise at 140 instead of 110.
Yeah, right. Okay.
I don't know why. It just doesn't want to do 110, but it loves doing 140. So it made good time. Then we got back with a total round trip of 23 hours and 20 minutes.
23 hours and 20 minutes.
Getting back into the driveway.
Wow, that's from leaving driveway to back in
Leaving my
driveway.
herd back in driveway.
That's fucking mental. Dude, is that more or less than it took for the 180? One trip.
180 was like 36 hours.
But that was,
Had to go to Melbourne driving. Didn't get there the first time. Had to come back, try again, drive all the way there, and then drive all the way back. This one was
but
five.
minus that fuck about though. Minus that fuck about, this was definitely longer.
No, because technically to Melbourne it's an 8-hour drive. So that's 16 hours of driving. This was only like 13 hours of driving. We do lots of long drive. It's a big fucking country.
It is that. And this is a good car for long drives.
Yeah, so you want to hop in, I'll get in the front seat. I'll take you for a little
Get in.
spin. It's permitted till tomorrow.
Permanent till tomorrow.
You can close that door. It's got to slam the hog. Look at that, it's a shifter on the tree. It's like a. Whoa! I'm like an old man.
I love that this looks like a Stagia.
A little bit, just the cluster.
Yeah, mostly just the cluster, but even just the style of this is sort of like very 33 style. It's Nissan 90s, I guess.
Listen to a T.
Nissan to a T.
Yeah, drive nice in the rain.
Yeah?
I was tempted to kick it out sideways.
These seatbelts.
Yeah, don't take those sway bars out, hey? I am more stoked for this as a film car than I am as your tow rig.
I'm going to be a tow rig for a little while. I'm going to do a GVM upgrade.
GVM what?
To increase the towing capacity.
Look at the size of that mirror. Even that right there is a sick shot. Oh, dude. Oh, that's going to be a... Bro, I'm so keen filming this thing. I can full point the camera here and capture a car. If we're like on the highway and it's on your rear left, yeah. I could capture full reflection of it. All right, that's it. Catch us next week. Bye.